Quartet number 7, from Motor City Metro, Huron Valley, and Frank Thorne, Detroit Sound Machine.
That you will hear as through this life you go. There's none so sad or teary as a lover's tale of woe. So listen to this poet's song, its words so full of pain, the emptiness of love gone. Jeanie with the light brown hair, born like a vapor on the summer air. I hear her melodies like joys gone by, sighing round my heart for the fond hopes that die, sighing like the night wind and sobbing like the rain, wailing for the lost one that won't come back again. Jeanie, and my heart bows low, never more to find her in the dawn's sweet glow, never more to find her in the dawn's sweet glow, in the dawn's sweet glow. You know that I asked my pappy and he said he didn't know, no. My mama said she couldn't tell me, and so I started asking everyone just how the blues began. But no one could confirm it, a mystery they term it, until one day I asked an old man, a righteous old man, and he said, son, here's how them blues really began. They heard the breeze in the trees singing weird melodies, and they made that the start of the blues. And from the jail came the wailing of a downhearted frail, and they played that, yes, part of the blues. the low-down blues. For I'm a whippoorwill, high on that hill. They took a new note, pushed it through a horn till it was worn into a blue note. And then they nursed it, they rehearsed it, and gave out the news at the South, that southern land gave birth to the blues. Out came the blues from a whippoorwill. High on a hill came a new note, and they pushed it through a horn till it was worn into a blue note. Don't you know they nursed it, they rehearsed it, and then they released the news. They shared the news that the South, that southern land, gave birth to the blues. Oh yeah, the South, said a righteous old man, gave birth to the blues. Those low down